Hello, connections. How are you? I hope you're doing just fine. This is Islam Sulaiman, HSE consultant, HSE manager, and HSE faculty. Right. So we will speak now about some basic definitions. I'm trying to keep a series that's named basic health and safety definitions. I will start with the fire. What's a fire in a very simple definition? A fire is a self-sustained oxidation of the fuel that emits heat and light. Okay, so two main basic differences that we need to understand while we understood already and explained the definition of the word fire. We have got two basic expressions or two basic jargons, I would say. The fire triangle and the fire tetrahedron. I've seen and I've met many of my connections that are still confused between these two. So what's a fire triangle first, and then what's a fire tetrahedron? A fire triangle is three main components to start a fire, to initiate a fire, which is, of course, most of us are aware of that, but I'm just trying to clarify it furthermore. Okay, so three main components. The building blocks for the fire triangles are fuel, the oxygen, and heat. All right, so these are the main components for the fire to initiate, to start a fire. Okay, so how to sustain a fire? By the four components of the fire tetrahedron, which are fuel, oxygen, heat, and the chemical chain reaction. You remember when we said in the fire definition, it's a self-sustained oxidation, which is a reaction, oxidation of the fuel, which is a chemical reaction, okay, that emits heat and light. Okay, so for the fire to start, we're talking about the fire triangle. For the fire to sustain, we're talking about the fire tetrahedron. Okay, so once again, for the extinguishment theory, to prevent the fire, you need to deal with the fire triangle, because we are talking about the initiation of the fire. So this is to prevent the fire. We need to deal with one or more, of course, of the components of the fire triangle. So this is the fire prevention concept. Okay, prevention. Okay, one more concept is the fire protection. Okay, the fire protection concept, which is we are dealing with the fire tetrahedron. Yeah. Okay, so the fire protection, you need to deal with one or more of the components of the fire tetrahedron, which are fuel, oxygen, heat, and chemical chain reaction. Thank you. I tried to make a short video about the fire main concepts. Thank you and see you soon.